Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good and doing fun in your life, and I'm going to show you beautiful crochet sweater pattern today. And this is the final look of our sweater. Now we are going to make the border of this neck. As you can see, this is very simple and basic double crochet here, but we are going to make a beautiful round shape of this neck using the same procedure as we done before in the arms and in the bottom of this sweater. So now I'm going to start the neck line of this sweater. I'm using the back side of the sweater. Back side means a little rough here, I think, so I'm using this side of this side to start. So from this corner I'm going to insert the hook and taking the yarn, then we make one chain, and we'll take 2 double crochet first from upper side to make a little reduction in the neck. Then we will take the yarn, 1 double crochet from the back side and this extra yarn with us to secure the sides of this yarn. Now 1 double crochet from the upper side, one from the lower side, and by taking the extra yarn we will just take 2 double crochet at first, then we will simply take 1 double crochet from the bottom and 1 double crochet from the upper side. We have to simply repeat the same procedure till the end of the corner. So after reaching at the corner point, the previous one is that from the bottom side, so I'm going to make double crochet from the upper side by taking these 2 double crochet of this corner. Now we will take the next 2 double crochet of this corner from the lower side, we have to make 2 double crochet from the bottom side, so this is the procedure. At corner we have to reduce 2 double crochet by taking these 2 double crochet from upper side and 2 double crochet at lower side. Now we are going to make simply double crochet by taking 1 double crochet at the front and 1 double crochet at the bottom until our next corner arrive. At corners we have to reduce 1 double crochet at the corner sides. So this will take this round shape by reducing 1 double crochet from this corner side. So after repeating the same procedure, we are at this next corner. So as this is previous one is from bottom side, so we are going to make a double crochet from upper side by taking these 2 double crochet of the corner and making a double crochet on upper side. Now we will take these 2 double crochet from the bottom side of this corner to give it a round shape, and now we are going to simply repeat the same procedure of making 1 double crochet from front side and 1 double crochet from the back side, and we have to repeat the same procedure of reduction, same procedure of this reduction in the next corner. Then I'll show you the next procedure. So after reaching the next corner, that is the third corner, now we are just going to again reduce 1 double crochet in this corner by taking 2 double crochet in 1 double crochet like this. Now we will take 2 double crochet from the bottom of this corner to make a reduction of 1 double crochet. So we reduced 2 double crochet in this corner. Now we simply repeat the same procedure as we done before, of 1 double crochet from upper side and 1 double crochet from lower side. Then we will reduce 2 more double crochet in this last corner. So we have we reached at the end point from where we have started, and here we reduced 1 double crochet in the start. Now we will reduce 1 more double crochet by reducing 1 double crochet here, by taking 2 double crochet from the back side to reduce 1 double crochet to give a round shape to our neck, and to reduce some double crochets here. Now we'll make a slip stitch in the chain where the first chain we have to make slip stitch to join the sides. As you can see, we have completed the round 1. Now we will make round 2, chain 1. Now the double crochet that is from upper side, now we will going to make a double crochet again from the upper side on this double crochet. Now the double crochet from the bottom, we are going to make another double crochet from the bottom side. So basically we have to repeat the same procedure as we done before. We have to repeat the previous procedure of making double crochet from upper side and the double crochet from lower side. There is nothing new in this procedure. We have to simply repeat the same procedure. Then I'll show you the final results of this round after this round. So here I have completed the second round. I'm at the end of this round. So slip stitch to end of the round. Now I have to start this third round with the same procedure. We are just repeating the same procedure, and we have to complete this third round, and then I'll show you the final result of neck. So here I have completed the third round, and now it's time to end up the round. For that I will cut the extra yarn. And we will lock it by making a simple stitch. Then we will lock the sides of this yarn by using a needle. We have to take the bigger one. Now we have to lock the sides of this extra yarn. We will use this needle and we'll lock the sides. We will simply make simple stitches to secure the ends of this yarn. Then we will make another stitch. So here we have secured the sides. Now we have to cut the extra yarn. So here we completed the neck side. This is back, and now this is the front side. As you can see, this is the front side of the neck. Our neck is completed now.